Texas plans to use the Moderna vaccine to reach rural areas and smaller healthcare providers. And make no mistake, many of these areas are already in dire straits in terms of both capacity and healthcare workers.
They are absolutely at the end of their rope in most regions of Texas.
John Henderson is president and CEO of the Texas Organization of Rural and Community Hospitals, or TORCH.
Most of rural Texas is at capacity and can expand. And it's not as much about space as it is staff and equipment. They just don't have that capacity.
Henderson agrees the Moderna vaccine is a perfect fit for rural Texas. It doesn't have to be stored at ultra-cold temperatures like the Pfizer vaccine. It can survive refrigerated for up to 30 days. Plus, the Moderna vaccine can be shipped in smaller quantities.
It's in packets of 100 instead of 975 with the Pfizer vaccine.
Texas health officials reported the state's more than 224,000 vials of Pfizer vaccine received this week have been delivered to 110 hospitals in 34 counties. The state hopes more than 1,000 healthcare providers will get the vaccine next week with both Moderna and Pfizer online. Governor Greg Abbott says the state remains on track to vaccinate more than 1 million healthcare workers by the end of December.
And Texas has a distribution system in place to make sure that we're stepping up and doing everything we can to save lives.
Henderson says those shipments can't come fast enough to rural Texas, where the loss of even one healthcare worker can be devastating.
But if you lose a rural ER physician or a couple of nurses or respiratory therapists to COVID or quarantine, you're in a staffing crisis.
Now, Texas is expecting 460,000 vials of the Moderna vaccine next week if it does clear that final FDA approval. Texas state health officials say they're also going to start holding back some of the Pfizer vaccine that is expected in the state next week as part of a federal program to vaccinate nursing home residents and staff members. That plan will involve Walgreens and CVS employees going into these nursing homes to begin that vaccination process. Texas expects to start that part of the program the week after Christmas. Reporting live from the Texas Medical Center, Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.